Hi everyone. So I am excited to share something which I built to make job search journey, actually my job search journey a lot easier. I call it as CoverMe, a Chrome extension I developed entirely through vibe coding, while playing both the roles of product owner and tester. The idea came from my own job search struggles. I wanted a tool that works on any website, instantly extract keywords, important keywords, skills, programming languages, experience, etc. Then show a job match percentage. So it even highlights. How it works is it matches the job. It will give you a percentage, and it even highlights on the job page what exactly is being matched. What I already have will be in green color, and what is missing will be in red. And when I need a deeper insight, if I'm not satisfied with this particular thing, all this happens in local. And if I need more insight to this particular thing, I can simply have an option to ask AI, which opens a side panel. It will have the context of the job which is being in the screen, and we can ask any questions related to the job to the AI. It uses Gemini 2.0 Flash. So we are using the free tier, and whoever installs and use it will be using that as well. So let's get into the demo. So this is a home page of this extension, and we can install it. So once installed, um, we will have to go to settings, where we have to provide the Gemini API key and the resume. So for getting API key, it is nothing. You have to click over here. If you haven't got a API key, you can create an API key from here. I have an API key, so I will be using that. Um, I'll just copy paste over here. And here we have to provide the resume, which is in any format you want. There is no requirement of format or anything. And we can also add other context. So resume may not have full details. So my resume has 2 pages, and it doesn't. I cannot fit in all those information which I have, right? So we can add more information so that we will get better results, right? So currently I am using a resume which I have, and we have to save this. So now currently it is sending it to the AI and getting. So what it does is it will get all the keywords from the resume. So let's see. So it has extracted details like I have 16 plus years of experience. There are 35 technical skills it extracted. All these details will be here. Now we can even go to manage keywords. We can see all the keywords. If you want, you can remove keywords. We can add more keywords into it. All those things we can do over here. And we can also add manually add a keyword over here. This I will show you what is the use of this. So once we are satisfied with all the keywords, we can go to job page. I am using LinkedIn for this demo. Let's see. I will just do a basic search. So now I have the job here, and I want to see whether it is matching. So there are two ways we can do it. You can right click. There is an option where you can do CoverMe local analysis. So when I do that, instantly it will say what all things are be matching, where it is not matching. So testing is not a keyword which is there in my thing. Also, you have this option where you can go here and you can click on local analysis, which will do the exact same thing. So now you have seen that only three of the skills have been matched. There is no testing in my list of keywords. So I can add it from here, right? So it will get added to the list. Also, like, I can select those keywords from here, and I can add it from here as well. So you can see it got added, and you can see the match also get instantly refreshed, and it will show what if it is a good match or not. So this is how it will work. We'll take, so now these keywords are already there in my in my keyword list, so it should work. So DevOps we just added, so that also we can see. Now if I go to another job, these keywords also should actually, if it is there, it will get matched. So here, if we do, sometimes it has this thing where it will not highlight. We just have to refresh the page, and let's do and see. Okay, now it is matching. um, so this is a manual way of doing things. You can see the experience is highlighted in a different color so that you can easily see that. Then other than this manual thing, we can also put it in auto mode. Then it will be like, it will, whenever there is a change in the job, it will automatically do the things. For example, I have switched the job, and you can see it has been highlighting all the things, right? So this is one of the thing, and we can add more. So it will also give a color. So when it is in auto mode, it will show you red, orange, and green. Green means a high match, orange medium, and red not a good match. You can add more keywords into it from here, and also other stuffs. And also when you are in a job and it is showing a red, and you think this has more, I want to have more insight to this particular job, you can always, so all these matches are happening in local, no AI call or anything. If you want to particularly see anything related to this job and ask AI about this particular job, you can always click on Ask AI, which will open a side panel. This has all the things pre-configured, like deep research into this job, help me with cover letter, all those kind of things. So let's do a deep research and see how it gives you the results. You can see it has given us a good review of the job. So this is what it is saying. So it doesn't, A is saying that we are not having a good match, right? And it is giving all the details what you have to do, way if you are playing, what to do. And also here also we can, it will say what all keywords are missing from your resume, which can you can add. If you want, you can add it over here. It also shows you, the side panel also shows you how many requests you have made to the AI. Currently it is 3. And you can always go to the option page, and you can see all the details as well. In the option page, we also have details to, I mean, options to clear the all these things as well. And also there is whatever data you are storing will, so if you see, refresh this page and see, we have saved almost like 8 KB of file data, which you can extract, you can delete, you can do whatever you want. You can download it as a JSON, CSV, you can delete all this data as well. So everything is stored in your local, nothing has been shared with anyone. Only the API calls you make, AI calls you make, that is sent to Gemini, and the results is been shown to you. So that is what the extension do. I might have missed some functionalities, but you can go through the website where you have a complete user guide, completely created by AI. I have just seen and reviewed it, and you can see all the details over here. Hope you will like it. If you like, please use it. It will help you in, I mean, if it helps you in job search, it will be great. Give me the feedback. You can also report issues, etc. to this. You can, um, so if you go here to the home page, you can see support development, GitHub issues. You can raise issues if you have any, if it is not working in any site, or if it is slowing down your machine, or whatever it is. We can try to fix all those things, right? And yeah, that's it. So this is the first phase of this, where we are only doing keyword matching. You can also, one more functionality is that if you have done AI analysis of a particular job, even if you switch to another job and do something and come back to that job, it should retain, it should persist whatever you have actually done. All the messages, everything will be, you can see it. So up to 50 messages it will store in your local thing, so that it will not be lost. So you can always come back and see what actually you had interacted with AI, right? So that is also there. So that is what it is. So this is just a phase one, and the phase two is still in development. So it will give users even more control, like so whatever AI prompts we are using, all those things will be available in option for you to edit and modify and do whatever you want to do. So also the keyword rules, the weightage, how this particular percentage is been calculated, etc. Um, right, this percentage, how it is coming. So currently we are giving more weightage to year of experience. The weightage things, all those things will be available in phase 2 in option page. And also it will have more usability, more functionality, like it will autofill the job forms and other things as well. So all those things are planned. So try to use it. It is just launched in web store. You can add it and give me the feedbacks you have for this. Thank you. Hope it will help you with your job search. Thanks.